How to fix Cash App please try again later. So for this issue there can be some valid reasons. Your internet connection might be corrupted or it's not that good enough. This can be a reason for that. So first what you can do is you can fix your internet connection, like turn off your router and restart your router. It can help a bit. So again, if your issue didn't solved yet, then you can clear data for the Cash App. First go to settings, then go to apps, and then search Cash App from the apps section, and then click on storage, and then just clear the data of this Cash App. So after clearing the data, you can do one more thing, which is you can set up your time zone to automatically. So if your time zone is like set it to manual, like you have to give this time zone each time manually, it can be a reason of Cash App please try again later issue. So that was how you can fix Cash App please try again later issue, and thanks for watching.